What's up, guys? Whoever has these C7 Corvettes, C6, C5, we already got the, well, we had it for a long time, but we already got the shock sensor kits that we're selling. Whoever has these type of cars and want to add the shock sensor to the factory alarm, give us a call. We also have the kill switches for it. We do sell it. We ship it to you, and we'll provide you with the installation video. As far as the shock sensor goes, the whole installation goes in the back hatch. When you lift up on that carpet, everything goes there. It's very easy to do. We provide you with the video, and once you get the shock sensor, will already come prepped up, ready to go, and you can do the installation yourself. You already know, because you already have this car, that you can beat the hell out of this whole car and nothing happens unless you open the door of the hatch, and by then it will be too late. You have the guy already inside the vehicle, and probably they're going to break the window and jump in without opening any of the doors anyway, because they know the factory alarm is going to set off. So I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. We just finished the shock sensor installation, so you can see that this time the factory alarm does go off. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off, and I'll show you the rims and tires. By the way, whoever has these type of vehicles, get yourself a pair of nut locks. At least put 2 per tire. You know, so in case you you know, you don't have the luxury to park it inside garage, or you know, sleeps in your driveway, I would advise you to get some nut locks. You do not want to get home or wake up in the morning and have this car in full bricks and they took your rims and tires. That's not going to be fun. So get yourself a pair of nut locks. You can buy them at Amazon. At least put 2 or 3 per tire. Unless you park inside a garage, or you park in the backyard of your house or whatnot, you know, and you don't have to worry about it too much, as I don't think somebody's going to be in your backyard taking rims and tires, but you never know. But anyway, I'll show you the tire. I'm going to go ahead and hit the rubber, and you'll see it's going to go off. Whoever needs to order one, give us a call. Our website is addshocksensor.com. So that's addshocksensor.com, or I'll list it in the bottom of the video, or you can give us a call at 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.